November 12, 1912 in Carnett, Texas. People see me as a famous person because I'm the wife of Lyndon B. Johnson. I also sponsor environmental causes and beautification projects, when I later co-founded what is now the Lady Bird Johnson Wildflower Center in Austin, Texas. I can be described as hardworking, caring, and active. An interesting fact about my life is that I won dozens of awards like the country's highest civilian award, the Medal of Freedom. I got my nickname of Lady Bird at the age of 2 because my nanny's dad was pretty as a ladybird. I attended St. Mary's School for Girls in junior college. I graduated from the University of Texas. I died at the age of 94, July 11, 2007 in Austin, Texas. Thank you for listening to Blue Museum.